Why the right mindset is the first step to accomplishing your goals. No matter what it is that you want to accomplish, the first thing you need to do is to adopt the right mindset. Everything that you are, everything you do, and all the world around you begins in your mind. If you change the way your mind works, then this will have a ripple effect in every facet of your life. When it comes to accomplishing your goals, the most important thing is that you have passion, dedication, drive, motivation, determination, vision. In fact, accomplishing goals is not hard. All you need to do is to identify what it is you want, come up with a strategy to get there, and then work tirelessly and unceasingly until you start to see the results you want. No, it really is that easy. Problem is, a lot of people get confused along the way. And it starts right at the beginning, with having the wrong goal. You see, all too many people will set out with a goal that they think they need to accomplish. They'll work to become the person their mom wanted them to be, or that society thinks they should be. They'll choose the goal they think is easy enough to accomplish, and realistic enough. Or they'll not be sure what they want at all. And when you do that, you will lose the ability to really go after what you want. This is the one factor that is critical in every single person who has ever been a huge success. They love what they do. They are passionate about it. They work on it in their spare time because it is what wakes them up in the morning, what drives them through the day. Do you think Einstein would have had as many breakthroughs as he did if physics was just his 9 to 5 and he hated it? Do you think that Elon Musk would be as successful as he is today if he had just worked for FedEx? If you want to become the best version of you, then you need to go after the thing that makes you truly come alive. And that in itself goes against a lot of what we're trained to believe. It takes a huge cognitive shift. But if you're going to accomplish everything you want to, then you need to change your mindset.